Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be unboxing this yummy box of goodies that my friend Olga sent me. I'm gonna have Olga linked down below so you guys can go check her out on Instagram. She does not have a YouTube channel, but she is a friend of mine and she sent me a birthday surprise. How cute is that? Keep celebrating. And she got me a cute little card and it says, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you for inspiring me. I hope you will enjoy. Hugs to you and wifey. Love always, Olga. Thank you, Olga. So you guys can see here, she filled it up with a bunch of crinkle paper. So I'm going to lift this up this way. So when I package it up, it doesn't go everywhere. And we're gonna take out all the little packages. Because Olga sent a lot. We did take sneak peeks. Ooh. Okay. I think this is when I was opening stuff. Look at this, you guys. Wait till you see what she sent me. Wait till you see it. Alright, so I'm going to stick the crinkle paper right back in here. We're going to move this box. Take this one out as well. Put it in here. This yellow paper. The pink paper. And we're going to spread everything out. So, like I said, this is just a birthday gift from her to me. And first we're gonna look at this book right here. And it says, hello friend. I love the floral that she used. So it's like a little flip book. So cute. Do you guys see that? I wanna see how this is. Oh, how cute. So she put her currently here, what she's watching, listening to, snacking on. Cute. There's a cute little clip here. Take some time to work on yourself every single day. That is a very good reminder. I think we should all do that. And then over here we have another little pocket, and she gifted me some adhesive stencils by Artsy. These are pretty cool. You guys see that? I like that. I'm gonna keep those outside. And then over here, there's tons of pockets. Look how pretty. You guys see that? Everything goes so well. Matchy matchy. Always be joyful. In here, she gifted me some washi tape. So cute. And then it says, enjoy the little things. So I'm going to open this up. And she gifted me some die cuts, which, ooh, I'll take out. Oh, so we got some tickets. These are fun. Oh, I like these. Or smiles or hugs. Ticket to be adorable. Oh, I love these. Leaving these out because I don't have that. And this one says, best wishes. And then we have these two little wheels that say birthday. Those are cool. Thank you, Olga. And then over here there was a little pocket. Oh, that's where I think the stamps were. She's got the wood paneling in the back. I love this. I haven't had a flip book in a while. Let me unwrap some of this stuff. Oh yeah, you guys, I remember I saw this. Look what she gifted me. She gifted me the Heidi Swap memory dex cards. The acetate ones, you get 8 pieces. And the ones with the letters, 12 pieces. Thank you so much for these. When I first started all with the memory dex cards, I wanted these and I couldn't find them. And look, she got them for me. Thank you so much for those, Olga. And then in here, she added some more little goodies. So she gifted me some cute little bow ribbons. Is that what they are? Like, yeah, like bow ribbons. Look how cute they are. And then she gifted me some Project Life cards, 3x4, 18 count, and it's all gold and white. You guys see that? So cool. Don't have that. And then the last thing in here is a cute little cupcake keychain. And it says, yay, hello. And look at the gold. Is that not cool? Love that. Thank you. And then let's see what we have in here. Oh, I love this bag. What is this? Oh, she made me a banner, you guys. Look how cute. So that's the last part, because I'm assuming it spells out create. There's a T. There's the A. Hold on. There's the E. And the CR. So cute. And it matches everything that she created for me. I love it. Thank you, Olga. That is so cute. And I love this little bag. Tuck that in here so nothing gets lost. Definitely hanging that up once I make more wall space. I want to make sure that nothing gets messed up. And put that right there. And then I think these were tied up to something, but I have no idea. Then over here, we have a tag flip. She made like all kinds of crafts, which I adore. So she made me a tag flip, a loaded pocket, and a flip book. Girl, what's this? Feels soft. What is in here? Ooh, she gifted me treat bags. Look how cute these are. Oh, I love these. Thank you for these. I love treat bags. They felt squishy. Put those in a little heart clip. I'm gonna put those right there. And then I know that these are candies. And I'm going to split these with my wife and my daughter. And this, I saw that she gave me some of that crazy trim. Look at that, you guys. It's in gold and silver, rose gold and blue. This is pretty cool. Thank you so much for this. I saw that you had gifted Ara some of it. That's pretty cool. Put it right here. And we'll save this for last. I already did the flip book. We're going to do, see how she has that there in the back? It looks so cool. So this is kind of like a loaded pocket. And there's some handmade tags here. She has those right here in the pocket. And then over here, she's got some more little tags. You guys see that? Super cute. She coordinated everything so perfect. And let's take everything out of here. So here she made me some embellishments. Look at these, you guys. How cute. And then there's like a bigger tag. And then she gifted me some bows. You guys know I love me some bows. I'm gonna leave these out. She made me a memory dex card. Look at that. Super cute. Oh, you guys, look, she gifted me the Agenda 52, the girls from Hobby Lobby. They got some long legs. I don't have these. Thank you for that. I did not have that. So I'm gonna put that back in here. And I'm actually gonna put the balloon and the card in here so that they don't get lost anywhere. I might even put the card in the flip book where I took out the gift. Yes, right here. I think it'll be perfect. Yes. I love these. And then she sent me a tag flip. And look, you guys, it says hello. And of course, using the same collection. That's the opposite side. She decorated both sides. Here, she gifted me a bunch of little tags. So there's a bunch of tags in the pockets that she made and stamped. So cute. And then, ooh, I'll take that off. Over here, this one says, happiness comes through doors you didn't even know you left open. That's cute. And then in here, she has a little pocket, and it just says fun facts. And then I guess fun facts about her. She's a lefty. She's the youngest of 5. She loves pizza. She hates raw onions. I have way too much crafty crap. I'm with you. The only thing I think I'm not with you there is with lefty. But my wife is lefty. Look at this cute little shaker. So cute. I like that. Let me drink some water, you guys. My throat gets so dry. And then, moving on, it's this one right here. She did like a little pocket on this side. And she gifted me some bows. Look at the bows, you guys. Look at those colors. I love the colors that she chose for this project. So cute. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. This way. Look at this one. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. And then over here it says love. She's got a little trim here. And then here she gifted me some cute little like filing folders. You guys see that? Those are cute. And then, yep, we'll go this way. Here it says, so glad we're friends. Super cute. I'm very glad that we are friends. And then over here, let's see. She gifted me a bunch of little kind of like sentiments that I can put on projects. You are loved, the super duper. I love the super duper. Good vibes. It's always good to have little sentiments. Cute little envelope. And then over here is my letter, which I will read on my own time. But yeah, you guys, that is her tag flip. And that is not everything she sent. She also made me an embellishment box, you guys. And it says, filled for you. And in here, she added some fun buttons. Look at this, you guys. Some fun buttons. Look at this piano button. The musical note button. Look at this big black and white one. Musical note. A white rose. These are so cool because I don't have any like that. On this side over here She gifted me some of these little plastics with flowers inside. They look so cool. She's got some jemmies on this side. Move them on. They spilled over. So she gave me a bunch of jemmies. These little plastic hearts on that side. She gifted me some little cutouts, like X's and O's and letters. Some black and white ribbon. And then there's some silver lace trim. Washi tape and little ribbons. So you got washi, washi, ribbon, ribbon, washi, ribbon. Little ribbon with the eyelashes. There's a bunch of little flowers here. Look at the polka dot one. I love me some polka dots. So that is super cute. And then over here, there's just all this fun trim that I don't have. And then here, she filled up 3 little tubes with little beads and glitter and sequins. And then in here in the middle, there's a bunch of little knickknacks in the jar, as you can see. There's some pink eyelash trim, pink ribbon, and pink pom-pom trim in the back. And that is everything in the box, you guys. That is so fun. Thank you so much, Olga, for thinking of me, sending me this birthday gift. She also entered my challenge. I have a video up of her challenge. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love everything, and I cannot wait to play with everything. And that is it for this video, you guys. It is super late. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys. And don't forget to check out Olga. I'm going to have her link down below. Go give her a follow or give her a subscribe. And now I'm going. Bye.